Welcome back. We got the Massey just about set. We got, oh no, I need my leg foot. We got the bushings, that's tightened. That one's good, so now it should spin, and Hannah's gonna spin it. Cue Hannah spinning the flywheel, and make sure that it's all looking good, I think. Yeah, see, so now you can actually see it in action. See how that just kind of holds it there. And then, yeah. Seems to be going. Nothing should be out of time or anything because we already retimed it over there, and this, yeah. So my theory on why this broke after much deliberation, I think probably when that chain popped. I still don't know what made the chain pop, but maybe wear, maybe it was just a bad link. When that chain popped, this was probably not quite right, and then the plunger might have caught the forks, which then might have put the strain to shear that, and then yeah, so all
language.
You're gonna have to bleep that out.
I'm not gonna.
You gotta. This is a PG channel. Jeepers. I was up early. So now we're gonna hook it up, and I think I'm gonna leave this side off for right now just to make sure it runs with the PTO on. Fine and dandy. Throw some hay through, and then we'll get all shielded up. Get it all back on. Got the cover, this. Make sure I get all the bolts in the right spot, and then it should be ready to go, and hopefully it doesn't break again. I think this could have been a problem because that chain, why that chain popped, still don't know, like I said. But we're gonna give it 3 strikes. It's on 2, so.
This is the last chance it gets.
Yeah, otherwise we'll have to get a new one. And don't intentionally break it. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna get it hooked up, get the wiring all out of the way. That was so annoying though, to get the like wiring and all that.
I know.
It's called epic, right?
Yeah, I really hope it's not broken because look how much cordage we have. Like,
but now we know what we got to do, and then we wouldn't need like 15 zip ties on every layer.
We'd have to get more bail skis. The one with the girl.
Yeah, well, let's see. Maybe it adds value. Maybe the bail skis add value to this
the
bit.
bail skis did.
I think they do good, but
like,
we'll see.
We had to take all this off, and we'd have to put these. Gotta get another camera.
What do you mean? We'll just take that one off.
Well, we'd have to take it off.
Don't wiggle. You're gonna. It still might work. She's gotta believe.
I believe.
Anyways, we're gonna try to get this going. Here we go. First test. Gotta watch. Looks good, it looks good. I did leave this door open down here, so maybe we can see. All right, you want to feather it in again, or just turn it on? Just make sure that we're still good. There's our out. Plunger is not creaming them. All turning good down here. Might be ready to make some hay. I gotta put the door back on before I can put some hay in. Sound bad? You know, there was that in that last video. There was that little bit of weird sound, and I think we figured out what it was. But yeah, I think we're good. Sounds right. stripe. Sound stripe. So, Baler's going, and yeah, we got this little fill we're gonna try to get cleaned up quick, and you just gotta knock this bale out when it comes out. Here's Nicole. Ah! She scares me sometimes. Ooh, I see. But yeah, we just gotta pop this bale out and then we should be good. And then yeah, we'll test the moisture. We gotta test the moisture and make sure the moisture sensors on the baler are about right. Otherwise, I did get the wiring harness to replace that because we were having some problems. So we'll see. Hopefully it's all good, but it looks like it's making bales, so that's good.